Autumn has just arrived and it's starting to get a bit cold. When I don't feel like going out on a Sunday afternoon, I have just the perfect thing to make my day. I start by making some shortbread biscuits, which are called Frollini in Italian. They're really easy to make. Just mix 200 grams of flour with 100 grams of sugar, then add 130 grams of unsalted butter, 3 egg yolks, a pinch of salt, and the zest of 1 lemon. Here my camera decided to stop working all of a sudden, but all you have to do is mix the ingredients by hand until you have a smooth dough. Once ready, cover the dough in cling film and leave it to rest in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. When you take the dough out, place it on a lightly floured surface, sprinkle with some flour, and roll out until it's 4 to 5 millimeters thick. I added some dainty decorations with this rolling pin that my mum gave me for my birthday. Using a cookie cutter or a small glass like I did, cut out the biscuits. Then roll the remaining dough again to cut some more until you've used all of it. Place the biscuits on a baking sheet and bake in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for around 15 minutes or until the edges are nice and golden brown. For my hot chocolate mix, I simply sift 1 cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of light muscovado sugar, a 1/4 cup of cornflour and a teaspoon of salt. You can store this mixture in an airtight container until the best before date of your cocoa powder. However, let me guarantee you it won't last that long. To make hot chocolate, I use 2 teaspoons of this mix with 150 ml of milk. Here I'm using coconut milk, but you can pick whatever milk you like. Just whisk until the mix is dissolved into the milk and put on the stove on a medium-low heat until it bubbles up and it reaches your desired consistency. This hot chocolate is perfect with some freshly whipped cream on top and a sprinkling of cocoa powder. This, to me, is the perfect autumn drink.